if you go to the southwest Cameroon, towns like Boya, like Kumba, in Kumba, you have more Nigerians than Cameroonians. 60% Nigerians, Igbos, from Biafra.
I want to quickly address an issue. I see a lot of people coming to my comment section and be saying I'm dragging everybody to Bibo. Now, I'm using Anyoma as an example. For thousands of years, the storyline has been that my people are descendants of Benin. What that means, that word descendant means that I'm automatically a Benin person. It's not Igbo. That's what it means. And I know many of you want to twist it, but that's what the English word means. When you say I'm a descendant of Benin, you're saying that my ancestors are Benin, and I'm just a descendant, generation after them. But every evidence, including the oral stories from the Benin kingdoms, has proven that my forefathers, who is Ezechime, are Igbos. These are proper truths. So now you are saying I'm dragging everybody to be Igbo. Meanwhile, there are proofs that say that I'm Igbo. Maybe you don't understand what I mean. Let me give you an example. From the origin, Bobrisky is a man. Suddenly, Bobrisky turns say him be woman. So if I come now and say Bobrisky na man, and he insists that he's a woman, am I dragging him to be a man? Answer me. As you think I'm dragging people to become Igbo, am I dragging him to be a man? From that statement, he's the one dragging himself to be a woman, because no, originally he's a man. So everything about me originally say that I'm Igbo. My language, my culture, my location, my name, the name of my village, everything shows that I'm Igbo. Even the history narrated by the Benins, but because they want us to constantly pay homage to them, directly or indirectly, and because some of my kings has been inducted in these lies for long, they are still benefiting from the political advantage of it. They are still saying we are descendants. And I'm saying, I don't care whether my father or my grandfathers believe it. I know that I'm an Igbo person. I don't want to accept that lies anymore. I'm not comfortable answering Igbo, but they say I'm Benin. That's all. I say I'm dragging everybody. How? Now I know some of you are saying it because you think that when we are saying that these places are Igbo, we are trying to grab land. That's why you say it's Biafra we are talking about. It's about IPOB. Something is wrong with you people in this 21st century. This is why Nigeria is not moving. Many of you are still thinking of land and you are blaming Fulani for killing people for land grabbing. But that's what we are doing because they never give you cutlass. We would have done that. The world has moved beyond land grabbing. Oh yeah, now, Nigeria has a massive land with the best mineral resources in it. What has happened in the last 60-something years? Answer me. Have you benefited anything from the land? That is why I played that video from Cameroon. Even if those people say they don't want to be in Cameroon, they want to join us here. Are we going to go to Cameroon and claim that land? The people is better than the land. Because it is human beings that make a land beautiful, not the land. Even if they live, crude oil is even going out of existence. So it's myopic to think that it's because of crude oil. Which land? Which land? Even if, see, a fool cannot develop anywhere, even if they live inside the well of oil. It cannot. You have to have the people who has the capacity, who have the ability, who can think out of the box. People are developing desert like Dubai. That is the truth. You must understand this. I'm not here to drag anybody. I'm not dragging anybody to join. My own is that stop calling me your descendant. I'm an Igbo man. Simple. If that can be done, fine. Case closed. Everybody stay your own. I'm not sure Benin is going to come and be saying, even as they call me descendant, they are coming to come and grab Anyoma. No. And we're not going there to claim Benin. No. But stop putting the word descendant. to my Anioma people. That's all.